Alright, I'm just going to do a quick demo of SublimeRJS. The first thing we need to do is to add it to our project. So right click on the main folder and click Add SublimeRJS. So this will copy a configuration file to the folder, and we need to put in a few things to begin. So first of all, the script folder, which in this case is just JS, and the next thing is a reference to the require main file. So in this case that will be js/main.js. Alright, so now in our main file we can press Command M, and these are the options available at this point. So to import a script, click the first one, and here you see a list of the JavaScript files you have in your script folder. So we will choose underscore, and that will add underscore to our definition. Okay, so we would like to have underscore displayed by just the character instead. So first of all, let's remove it again and choose underscore, and then we'll go into our settings. Here we will add our aliases. For example, jQuery will be $, underscore, like this. Also, we'll add some libraries to the auto-add function, which will, when we create new modules, these libraries will be added to them automatically. So here we'll add jQuery and underscore, and for this project backbone as well. Alright, so let's go back to our main file and just quickly create a new test module. So again, I'll click Command M, and this time I'll do create script module, and here you choose which library to put the module in. Now, since we don't have a folder for this, we will just pick the root folder and do test. This will be the module name, and enter again, and the module is created with the automatically added modules and the references. Also, you'll see here that it creates a module list, which makes it easier to kind of get an overview of the modules that you got in your file. Let's quickly go back to main and import the test module. Command M, import script module, test, and there you have it. Alright, for now I'll just remove this again, like this. Okay, so another thing that you can do when creating new modules is to add some boilerplates or templates, whatever you wish to call them. And to do this, we need to add them to our folder. I did create some before, and I'm just going to copy them to the main folder. And we need to go to the settings and apply that folder down here. So let's go back to our main file, and we'll create our backbone app view, which is like the main view for this application. So we'll do like this, new app view. Yes. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and select the name for this module that we're going to create. Press Command M, and I'll choose create and import scripts module app view. And again, we need to choose a folder to put it. Since we don't have the views folder yet, we'll just click the root, and then we'll add it in the name for the module, like this. And finally, we're asked which template to use, so we can choose the backbone view template that I just added. And here you'll see I have like a very basic app view setup. The app view is generated automatically based on a variable. If I just click the template, you'll see $ module name will be replaced with the module name. Alright, so let's just go back, and if we go to our main file, you'll see that it's been added where it's supposed to, and all we need to do is save the file. Alright, so far we've only worked with script modules. You can also load in text modules, which is helpful for example, adding markup to a templating system. And that's exactly what we'll do here. So I'll just add some content, which will and here we will append and use _.template, and in here we will add our text module and some content like this. Okay, so before we can actually do our app template, we need to add something to the settings file. I'll quickly open it. And the same way that a script folder has a reference to JS, we need to set a folder for our text folder. So we'll just add it and call it template, and we will create that folder in our project. This. Okay, so now we can go back to app view, select the app template, Command M. Now you see there's options available for text modules as well as script modules. We'll choose create and import text module app template. And again, it will ask which folder to put it in. We'll just add it to the root, call it app template, and we don't need any content in it, so we'll just choose blank here. Alright, so it opened up in the second column, and we'll just quickly create some content. Add the save it, and also go back to app view and save that. And finally, I'll just, for the sake of it, go to my demo file, reload, and hello world. Okay, so a final note is that, I don't know if you noticed that the app template opened up in this column, whereas my script modules opens up in this. You can set this by defining script group and text group. So 0 means column 0, and 1 is this column. So you can also, instead of using Command T, which will always open the file in the current column, you can use Command Shift 7. This will filter all your files so that this only displays the JavaScript files or the files in your JS folder, whereas if I press Command Shift 8, it will only show the text module files, and it will also open it in the correct column. So that's a nice way of quickly accessing exactly the files you want and putting them in the column you want. Alright, this is it for now. I'll probably do more when I add features to the SublimeRJS plugin.